Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse. Today I'm going to show you how to sew a super cute stocking quilt block. This is great for Christmas time or for the holidays or whatever you've got going on. The block is sewn using 2.5-inch strips. So this is perfect for your jelly rolls or even grabbing from your stash, cutting your 2.5-inch strips and using those in the quilt block. The first thing you're going to do is cut your pieces out. And so I've got all my pieces cut. I have got them laid out in the format from the pattern. The first thing we're going to do is on this piece right here, which is the stocking heel. If you want, you can make this a background piece, or you could do something kind of fun and decorative. I might mix and match this, but this jelly roll has a fun plaid, and that might be cute to put right here as well. So feel free to explore whether or not this is a background piece or another piece of fabric that's just kind of decorative if you'd like. First thing I'm going to do is mark from corner to corner using my hair marker, or a pencil would work great as well. I'm going to lay this right sides down, and I'm going to sew directly on that drawn line. Pin this in place, take it over to the machine, and stitch that down. With that stitched down, we are going to cut this 1/4 inch past the sewn line and press this back. You can audition this before you cut it. Make sure that it's large enough and goes to the edge and that it's not short. I'm going to put that back into its spot. Next thing we're going to do is take these two pieces and we are going to sew them together. Going to put that back into place. I did press this to the dark just so you don't have a shadow underneath. Now what we are going to do is we are going to stitch all of these pieces together and then put the top of the stocking on. All right, now we're going to go and press all of this. All right, with that pressed, we are going to sew our last piece, and that is the cuff of the stocking just right across the top here. All right, with that done, we have our stocking block finished. Now we can go ahead and just continue making these blocks. If you make a few of them, you can put them in a row for a table runner or sew up more to finish out your jelly roll and make yourself a cute little quilt or even just a wall hanging. Check the description for a link to the full blog post as well as step-by-step and a printable PDF.